All right, YouTube's got a call for an ice maker down. We're having another atmospheric river. It's supposed to bring a ton more rain. And they thought it was gonna warm up with the rain and cause havoc up in the mountains, but it's still pretty chilly outside. So we'll see if that doesn't come to fruition or not. But let's get over it. It's a H.V.A.C we gotta go look at. And they're saying it's not making ice, so let's go check it out. We got a stick stuck to the car right there. Look at that. Dude, they must have backed into a tree or something. Look, there's like, you got to see this coming off the back of the car there. Dragging tree branch. Get some. Let's see if we can get it going around the corner. Yeah. Here it is. Oh, nice. Let's see what's happening with this thing. It's kind of not doing much. Maybe the bin switch? Let's see. In the ice positions, nothing's beeping. Nothing's creeping. Let's put it in it went into wash. Huh. Let's see. Okay, I got it. It was the bin switch. I jumpered out the bin switch. I got a bad bin switch. And I don't have one on the truck. I have to order one. So on your board, it's thermistor, bin switch, float switch. And you got two lights over there, the green and the yellow. And you should be able to cycle those lights just by pushing in your little bin control. And this one's not happy. We can pull it out of there and take a look at it. It's just a magnetic reed switch, but it has failed. All right, I got the parts ordered. This is that water pump. Tasty. Here's the temporary bin switch. And we'll get the bin switch and the water pump changed out and do a big old scrub-a-dooski on this dude. Stay tuned. All right, well, they kept this thing going. It's got they got a little bit of ice in there. And dude, this thing needs major scrub-a-dooski. That's what I'm here for. Look at this. This needs a little TLC. Wow. Got the little ladder here to help out. When I got here, it was in a freeze cycle, so that's why I turned it off and put it back to ice. I'm gonna try and get all the ice off the evaporator. Hey, what's up, man? ¿Qué pasa? All right, getting this thing taken apart, piece by piece. Actually, the inside of the float looks really good, considering. Float boot, pluggered. Makes that cement in there, see? This is your check valve. We'll take that out too. I'd love to get this one off of there. There we go. You know, just rip it apart. Yep. Look at this dude. You guys ever seen the inside of the check valve? It's just it's like a little rubber seal and a spring. That's all that's in here. There's not much to them. So that's it right there. If you get some scale on here and it's trying to seat and it bleeds by, your water will piss down the drain. You'll have small ice. That's the whole check valve assembly right there. We'll get that cleaned up. So it's an O-ring and a spring, and then the valve seat is on the inside there. We'll get all of this. We're gonna get all this cleaned up. We're gonna replace this water pump, and we're gonna replace this failed bin switch. You know the condenser's plug-o too. No, actually, not super plug-o. Cool. Let's jump up here and see what the evap looks like. Real quick. Not super terrible. Look at that. I mean, there is some junk in the ice guides there, but look, these are the new one-piece ice guides. I love these things. And you can pull these out and clean them up. And then check your evaporator plates for separation. These things will separate off the tubes in there like that. These are still good. So we're in good shape. There's my jumper wire. We'll get that back. Cut the bin switch out. The bin switch goes up and then has a connection on top up here. It'll connect right here. And then this wire goes down into the board. Get that one plugged back into the board now that we got our jumper off. It's going to connect right there. And then we're just in mega scrub-a-dooski mode. Get the rub-a-dooski. And we'll get her going. Got the shop vac going. That was just to grab some of the big chunkatitis right there. Let's go load them up. The nylon brush is insane with the drill attachments. I like that one a lot. You get the idea. You just gotta take your time and scrub away. The old scrubber dooski. Ice maker went good. The video went to crap. So what happened was I got Murphy'd on the new bin switch. It came failed. So I wasn't really filming. I was like, all right, what am I going to do? So I installed a mechanical bin thermostat, like we always have. Those work good. I had a H.V.A.C mechanical bin thermostat that I put in that unit. I didn't film it because I'd already been there like 3.5 hours to clean that thing, right? So I wanted to get it all back together and get it working. Had to melt all the ice in the bin, you know the drill. But I wanted to give you the follow-up of what happened with that call. I should have filmed it. It would have been good to see, but yeah, brand new part ordered online, failed. Just came dead. And it happens to everybody, but man, the industry's just tanking out so bad with between parts and equipment. Oh, it's hilarious. I think going forward, I'll just put the mechanical stats in where I come across those H.V.A.C plastic flapper ones. That is a bad deal H.V.A.C has with those. I'm a H.V.A.C fanboy, but I'll call them out when they have bad stuff. And those flapper bin switches are garbage. But we all know this. So, anyways, that's what happened with that one. That's why the video tanked out at the end. I thought I owed you guys at least an explanation on that. So I did. I'm driving to the next one now. I'm all done. And I'll try and get video tomorrow of a compressor and a TXV change out on a H.V.A.C IM. And we'll see how it goes. And I'll try and film before and after so you can see the suction pressure is way too high compared to what the book shows.